Kadifekale, Izmir. Founded in the 4th century BC, the city has ruins from the Hellenistic, Roman, Byzantine and Ottoman periods that have survived to this day. Kadifekale is on a hill at an altitude of 186 meters in the south of the city. It is rumored that Amazon women living in Kadifekale, formerly known as Pagos, descended from the foothills of the mountain and maintained their dominance here for many years. This castle was built by Lysimachos, one of the generals of Alexander the Great. And today, remains of this period can be found. There are also cisterns from the Byzantine period. Only 5 towers in the west of the castle and a part of the walls in the south have survived from Kadifekale. Other parts are in ruins.